There's mixed reaction tonight to a federal judge's decision to strike down the national mask mandate on public transportation. While some companies are changing their masking policies, others are keeping their rules in place. WFXR's Amanda Lee is live tonight with what leaders in Lynchburg have decided. Amanda, good evening.
Good evening, Kathleen. I'm here at the Kemper Street station in Lynchburg, and the buses that come through here generally have enough room for social distancing, and that's what transit companies are hoping folks will get accustomed to, because the signs that used to be on this glass partition telling you to wear your face covering have been removed, as face coverings are no longer required.
We're hoping that anybody that is getting on is vaccinated, or that they're wearing a mask if they feel that they have issues.
Transportation agencies are now relying on travelers to protect themselves and others against COVID-19. The general manager of the Greater Lynchburg Transit Company, Josh Moore, says the TSA announcement came as a shock to his staff.
This court ruling, the original date was the 3rd of May. So it's kind of caught everybody a little off guard.
Director for the Lynchburg Regional Airport, Andrew Lagallo, says luckily social distancing has become almost second nature for passengers.
I've seen that over the past couple weeks now. It's just, as people are relaxing the mask mandate, you can tell that the social distancing is still remaining in place. So we just continue to encourage that.
He wants passengers to remember that the places they're heading to could have different rules.
I just encourage passengers to make sure they contact their airline for their final destination if there's a requirement there for any local rules.
Currently, Campbell County does not have local guidelines in place, so transportation agencies are relying on TSA for direction. COVID-19 epidemiologist for the Central Virginia Health District, Callie Anderson, believes the TSA dropped the mask mandates way too soon.
It is concerning because it's spring break time. Lots of people are out traveling. We are seeing rising cases across the country, particularly in the DC and Northeast areas.
And she recommends being especially careful on buses.
Buses are going to be a lot more high risk, especially if the windows aren't open, because they don't have the good filtration systems that our airplanes have.
Anderson says travelers should continue practicing all safety precautions, including wearing a mask, even if there are no signs telling you to do so. Reporting live in Lynchburg, I'm Amanda Lee, WFXR News.